Can you imagine that the most intelligent animal in the world isn't the chimpanzee? Even though it can use tools, it's not the dog, and it's not even the dolphin, despite recognizing its own reflection and communicating with others through whistles. It's the octopus, a mollusk with no spine, no bones, and skin that can change both color and texture. It has 3 hearts and blue blood. But what's most impressive isn't its biology, it's the brain, or rather, 9 brains. Octopuses learn by watching, which allows them to use tools and even solve complex puzzles. Some scientists say it's the most alien form of intelligence on our planet.